All right, here we are again, doing what we love to do. We're on Crawford Path right now, heading up towards Mount Pierce. Technically, it's not a winter hike, but with the snow, it sure does feel like a winter hike. It's the Mizpah Spring hut. Cut off. I'm going up this way. Come on, pup. Well, it's already time to put the spikes on. I'm glad I brought them. I knew it was going to be all ice. But, yeah, technically our first snow hike, we'll call it, since it's not winter till I believe it's the 20th of December. We still have a couple of weeks, but sure does feel like winter out here in the whites. It feels good. Love the winter hikes. So much easier on the knees. Beautiful, all the waterfalls are frozen. Really, really nice. This is spot. I'm gonna put my crampons on. Might as well. Just beautiful. Stay. Hey. Oh boy. All right, we'll get on the trail after I put my crampons on. Coming up on our first sign in a while. Going that way. About halfway to the mountain. So far so good. No complaints today. It's definitely cold though. I'm gonna have to put my winter coat on soon, because getting up into the higher elevations you really start to feel the temperature. But it's beautiful out. Got the Chewie GoPro, but it's so cold I can't keep it on them, so it's in my pocket. I put it on at the peak for some views. That's about it. See you guys when it opens up. Get some epic views. Alright, Alpine Zone. We're at about 4,300 feet. We're about 0.3 miles away from the peak of Pierce. And we're gonna soak in the views because the sun is beaming. You really can't tell I'm in a pillow of snow with the branches, but it is a bluebird day. It's gonna feel nice when we get out into the open soon. I think I'll put the juke.
Are you a filmmaker?
You are on the
It's really cool.
Oh, here's another puppy. GoPro. Oh, wait a minute. Come here. Good girl. All right, good thing.
just heading to Pierce. We're in the wide open. It is simply beautiful. It's Mount Washington. There's Eisenhower right in front of us. I think we're gonna come back and do that next time. We're just gonna enjoy Pierce today. We get off to a late start, so I don't want to be pushing darkness later on. But what a beautiful day. My baby eyes I can't see with the sun hitting the snow. It's just blinding me. I gotta thaw out my sunglasses. They are just frozen. I need windshield wipers on my sunglasses. But it's beautiful. We'll get some good views on the way back down. There's the wingman. There's the Bubba. All right, we're gonna go hit the peak. Alright, well, we did our exploring at the peak. This is the markers of the peak. Just beautiful. It's very cold up here. No wind, but the temps are it's probably in the teens, I would think. My hands are cold. Might put my extra gloves on, but other than that, I mean, no complaining today. I was gonna make my way that way, but we're gonna wait. We're gonna do that. We'll do Eisenhower another day. Since my GoPro is frozen. That's about it. We're gonna descend right now. We already had a snack, so I think I'll leave the GoPro going in a minute. Just catch these views of the presidentials, Mount Washington, Monroe, Eisenhower. Just beautiful. Jefferson way in the back, Mount Clay. It's just, amazing. Well, on another note, while we're out on this beautiful hiking day, it's a special day today. A year ago, today my dad died, so I wanted to make this a special day. So I think every year on his anniversary of his passing, I like to do a nice epic hike, and this was perfect. So. This one was for you, old man. The whole reason I started this channel was just so he could see my hikes. He lived in Arizona, and I live in the Northeast, so we didn't get to see each other much the last 12 years. So this was our connection, was hiking and talking about hikes. It's just feels good that I could do that. Just getting back into tree line. Epic hike. We're gonna go back down the way we came and out and back. It only took us not even 2 hours to get up to the peak. We went at a pretty quick pace, so I expect a quick pace on the way down. So that's about it for this hike. No complaining today. I mean, this is the end of our views. I love the tree line with all the snow, but it is mighty cold up here. My fingertips are starting to freeze. I gotta put my winter gloves on, thicker gloves, but other than that, we'll see you guys next time. Another epic winter hike sometime soon. Till then, happy trails. See you next time. Be safe out there and have fun.